Welcome to Best 5 Picks. The Best Pool Maintenance Kit is probably one of the most essential investments for any in-ground pool owner. Maintaining a sparkling clean pool doesn't have to be a chore. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of pool maintenance kits, exploring what makes a great kit, and helping you choose the perfect one to keep your pool in top condition all season long. Get ready to say goodbye to cloudy water and hello to a pristine swimming experience. Number 5. Intex 28002E Pool Cleaning Kit. Maintaining a clean pool is essential for enjoyment and safety. This kit provides the necessary tools to keep your above-ground pool in top condition. It makes the cleaning process easier. The vacuum head easily connects to a garden hose, allowing you to remove debris from the pool floor. It includes a reusable debris bag to collect the dirt and grime. This helps keep your pool water clear. This surface skimmer efficiently removes leaves and other floating debris. It features a durable mesh net to capture unwanted materials. This ensures a clean and inviting swimming experience. The included 94-inch telescoping aluminum pole extends your reach for cleaning. It's compatible with both the vacuum head and surface skimmer. This makes it ideal for pools up to 16 feet in diameter. This Intex cleaning kit is designed for above-ground pools. It's a suction-side type and comes in silver and blue. With this kit, maintaining your pool is a breeze. What we like. This kit includes a vacuum head, which is essential for removing debris from your pool floor. It also comes with a telescoping pole, making it easy to reach all areas of your pool. If you have an above-ground pool and need a simple, effective cleaning solution, this is a great choice. What people say. Vacuum works great. Is easy to set up. Is easy to use. Definitely worth having. The head itself is very well made and will last for years if treated right. It has a nozzle that points 90 degrees towards the net that blasts water through the net and creates a very noticeable vacuum from the bottom, picking up most anything in its way. It also has a small brush and 2 wheels to help with the cleaning. I was able to clean the floor with the hose and vacuum attachment in minutes. Being that I lose a few gallons when they are playing, I am able to fill the pool again while collecting at the same time. I left it in one place and watched as some debris was sucked into the bag, but it was easier to run it back and forth to gather the visible particle. Easy to assemble and clean as well. The pole is long enough that I can clean about 70% of the area from one spot. Number 4. DOHENY'S Inground Deluxe Pool Maintenance Kit. Looking for a complete pool maintenance solution? This kit helps you save money. It includes everything you need to keep your pool clean and sparkling. The above-ground standard kit includes essential tools. It comes with a standard skimmer, leaf rake, algae brush and clear vac head. This kit is perfect for basic pool cleaning. Upgrade your cleaning with the Deluxe kit. This kit includes a commercial-grade skimmer, leaf rake, deluxe algae brush, clear vac head, jumbo thermometer and 5-in-1 chlorine test strips. It provides more comprehensive cleaning capabilities. The in-ground standard kit offers the basics for in-ground pools. It includes a standard skimmer, leaf rake, algae brush and flex vac head. This kit is designed for efficient cleaning. Get the ultimate in-ground pool cleaning experience. This Deluxe kit includes a commercial-grade skimmer, leaf rake, deluxe algae brush, flex vac head, jumbo thermometer and 5-in-1 chlorine test strips. This kit ensures your pool is always in top condition. What we like. DOHENY'S offers various kits, catering to both in-ground and above-ground pools, with deluxe options for enhanced cleaning. You can also save money by purchasing a bundle. If you are looking for a comprehensive cleaning solution tailored to your pool type and budget, consider this option. What people say. Works very well. Very easy to use and durable. Solid set. Works great. Number 3. Bestway Flowclear Pool Accessory Organizer. Tired of pool equipment clutter? This organizer is the perfect solution. It keeps everything in one convenient place, making pool maintenance a breeze. This organizer can store up to 5 cleaning accessories. It has space for skimmers, brushes, and vacuums with handles up to 1.2 inches in diameter. With space for 2 poles, 2 built-in hooks, and an included strap, it offers versatile storage. It ensures all your pool maintenance equipment is easily accessible. It can be effortlessly hooked onto a fence or secured to other structures. The setup kit includes hangers and self-tapping screws, making installation a hassle-free process. This organizer keeps your pool equipment neatly organized. It creates a clean and tidy pool environment for you to enjoy all summer long. What we like. This organizer keeps all your pool maintenance equipment in one convenient location. It can hold multiple accessories and is easily accessible. If you like a tidy pool area and want to keep your equipment organized and within reach, this is the perfect solution. What people say. Holds all the pool cleaning equipment. Secures easily to the fence. Hangs on the side of my Intex Ultra perfectly. Number 2. Intex 28003E Pool Maintenance Kit. Introducing the Intex Deluxe Pool Maintenance Kit. This kit includes various tools to keep your pool clean and safe. The color may vary between dark blue and light blue. The vacuum operates through your filter pump, providing extra suction. It's designed to clean the surface, floor, and walls of your pool. Requires an Intex filter pump with a minimum flow rate of 800 GPH. This kit includes a 110-inch adjustable, telescoping aluminum pole. It's perfect for larger pools, and is recommended for pools 18 feet in diameter or larger. Use the curved wall brush to remove algae and grime from your pool walls. The scrubber vacuum is also great for cleaning the walls. The kit includes a leaf rake with debris net, a curved wall brush, a deluxe vacuum head, a scrubber vacuum, a telescoping aluminum pole, and a 24-foot hose with connectors. Everything you need for pool maintenance is included. What we like. This deluxe kit includes a vacuum, brush, and a telescoping pole, designed for larger pools. It requires a filter pump with a minimum flow rate of 800 GPH, ensuring powerful cleaning. If you have a larger above-ground pool and need a comprehensive cleaning solution, this kit is ideal. What people say. The vacuum has great suction and is easy to use. The brush is sturdy and works well for scrubbing the pool walls and floor. The skimmer net is effective at removing leaves and debris from the surface of the water. Number 1. AquaDoc Pool Starter Kit. Tired of struggling with pool opening? This product tackles winter debris. It's designed to complement your pool opening kit, making the process easier for both in-ground and above-ground pools. This pool opener contains natural enzymes. These enzymes save you time and energy. They break down organic materials, helping you achieve clear water faster. This product works seamlessly with various filter types, including cartridge, DE, and sand filters. It's suitable for all pool types, from in-ground to above-ground and DIY models. Whether you use bromine, chlorine, or saltwater, this product is compatible. It's a versatile solution for both above-ground and in-ground pools. AquaDoc pool chemicals are proudly made in the USA. They are held to the highest quality standards, ensuring you get a reliable product. What we like. This pool opener uses enzymes to break down organic materials, making opening your pool easier. It works with all types of pools and sanitizers. If you are looking for an effective and easy-to-use solution to kickstart your pool season, this is a great choice. What people say. The vacuum head has a swivel that allows it to move around the pool easily. The leaf skimmer net is great for getting leaves and debris off the top of the water. The telescoping pole is long enough to reach all areas of the pool. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.